Home. It's the place after a long day where you can come back to reset and restore your balance. So it's important that nothing, especially your yard, gets in the way. You should never have to spend time at home adjusting your sprinkler settings, never really sure if you've actually fixed the problem. Wouldn't it be nice if your yard could just take care of itself? Introducing Mist. Mist is a revolutionary sprinkler system that combines a sprinkler controller with a set of easy-to-install sensors that you can place wherever you'd like across your yard. Our Mist devices are packed with sensors and some amazing capabilities, which enables an unprecedented level of real-time insight into what's happening with your yard. Insights that stream wirelessly from any point on your property. The Mist controller combines this data with weather info and user preferences to determine the optimal time and location to replenish your yard. Tracking soil moisture allows Mist to water just the right amount. And it does so for your entire yard, so you never have to worry about overwatering. Mist devices act as rain sensors, keeping your sprinklers off for days to get as much out of the natural watering as possible. All this leads to huge savings without you having to do a thing. But if you ever do need control, it's always just a few clicks away. Mist has redefined the capabilities of a sprinkler system and what it can do for you. So let Mist take care of your yard so you can get back to the things you care about most. Mist, the world's smartest sprinkler system.